Hi everyone, Ron Crider reporting for duty today. Guess what? It is January the 12th and there's no more Adobe today. And guess what? Our Comrex Stac does not work because we can't log into it. Big problem. Problem solved. Go to the Comrex website, and as soon as you get to the Comrex website, go to support on the right-hand side, up top on the right-hand side, scroll down, go all the way to the bottom. Now you're at the bottom. Now come up just a teeny bit, and there is the Stac VIP. That's the one I'm working on, the Stac VIP. Click on there. Now scroll down until you come to almost the bottom again, and you're going to click on here. See what it says right there? That's where you have to click on. Click on that. You'll see down there on the left-hand side of the screen, down here at the bottom, it's saving that. It won't take very long. It's a pretty quick file. Then as soon as it's saved, go ahead and open it up. And this PC is just wonky here. I didn't turn that off, so it doesn't want to let me bring it up, but it'll make sure that you click on it again and hit open, and then you may have to go down here and say, yeah, it's okay, please open it. Say, yep, go ahead, do it. Now it's going to open up. Now you just have to say pretty much yes, yes, yes to all of those things in there. And just keep clicking on, and you'll see what's going on there. There you go. And bingo, as our Catholic friends say, there you go. Bingo, there it is. It's going to be all ready to go for you. Now the next thing you have to do is go figure out where you put it. So go over here on the left-hand side, scroll down, and there it is in the bottom of the screen. You'll see it over there on the bottom of your screen. And what I did is I dragged it over and put it on my screen because I wanted it right there so I could get to it. So I stuck it right in there. Alrighty, so there it is. And now all you need to do when you want to use this is click on it, put your IP address in that one up there where it says host. The IP address goes in there. Where you can find your Comrex Stac unit, and it's on port number 80, and then go ahead and hit OK, and then put your password in, your login and your password, and voila, you are all set to go, and your Comrex Stac is now ready to operate, and you are back in business. Pretty simple. Did this all in less than 3 minutes. Have a great day. Hope the video was helpful. Give me a like if you liked it.